Today na different vibe I carry come today. Na different vibe I carry come today. Today na pidgin I go use do this video. Na pidgin I go use do this video. People wey know from this part of the world, na dem go miss out because many of them fit no understand wetin I dey talk, but na pidgin I wan use do today video. I wan talk about this perfume wey don dey cause kasala, dey cause gobe for TikTok. People just dey knock their head left, right and center, and me I dey one corner dey ask myself, abeg wetin dey inside this perfume wey dey make people dey do like this? Abi na liquid gold dey inside? I say, man, I must find this perfume. So since I don dey find am, eventually today my supplier come get am. If you see the way I use two hand grab am, I be wan buy more than one, but she no gree sell. Na only one she gree give me. I still manage am like that. I collect the one like that. You no understand? I collect the one like that. If you dey ask, which perfume be this? Na vanilla oral. Na this vanilla oral. Na im dey cause all this kasala, all this wahala everywhere. Vanilla oral. And people dey talk say this vanilla oral, e dey smell like one $700 perfume like that. One vanilla something. Me, I never tried that perfume, so me I no even bother. A lot of people don talk about the perfume, talk about this one, you understand? Me, I never even see this one talk about self. Talk less of to come dey talk about the one and the one wey be the 700 side by side. So today na only this one I go talk about, and wetin I go do be say I go unbox am, smell am. God help this perfume if the perfume no be everything wey they say e be. God help this perfume. No, just unbox am. No, just unbox am. Because I don't understand wetin people dey do. I don't understand wetin people dey do because of perfume. We don't see correct perfume now. No be today we don dey smell perfume. We don't see correct one, correct perfume wey be say they no even cause half of the wahala wey this one dey cause. But make we see sha. I don't know, the thing sef no want here. If you dey wonder, ma I show you. See am o, na vanilla aura. See the back. Na Mason Azra people na dem do am. At the top be this, and then at the bottom part be this. Na Mason Azra na dem do vanilla aura. I no know wetin dey do this thing. I like see the bottle. See how the bottle be. Make I no lie, the bottle fine o. The design of the bottle, it makes sense. E fine. I like am. And then the cap sef, even though say na plastic, but the thing won't look like metal, but na plastic, but e still dey okay. The bottle no bad. Okay, make we spray am out. Make we see. Spray am out. I'll spray am inside this thing. Spray am out for some time. I don't want spray am direct for my skin in case I no go like am. The atomizer no bad. The atomizer no bad at all. Make I no lie o. The perfume it smell nice. She understand? It smell nice, but wetin I dey expect make e give me, no be wetin dey give me. You know, as they call am vanilla aura, me I dey expect say e go be that kind sugary vanilla essence type of vibe na im go give. But no be wetin this one dey give. This one, e smell like vanilla perfume o, but it smell like vanilla perfume with orange. You know that orange smell? No be the orange peel o, the orange juice. Yes. So this one be like vanilla with citrus. You know, say for Victoria by Latafa, that one na vanilla and lemon. This one be like vanilla and orange. I like am. I like the vibe wey the thing dey give. As e dey dry down, I like am. You know, some of these vanilla perfumes, some of them dey too sugary, they dey too sweet. Wey be say if you rub them like this, e go be like say na honey you carry rub for body. Make fly sef go dey pursue you up and down because of how the thing take sweet for your body. You understand? But this one no sweet like that. This one no sweet like something wey fly go dey pursue you up and down for. Omo, me I like this one o. Me I like this perfume. I like this perfume. I no go lie. E no be like wetin, no be wetin I dey expect say e go smell like. You understand? No be wetin I dey expect say e go smell like, but I like the way e dey smell. E dey airy, e dey sweet o, but e dey airy, e dey wearable. Na vanilla perfume wey person fit wear. In fact, me I go say you fit wear this thing in the afternoon sef. Because me personally, I no dey like wear vanilla perfume, all those thick sweet vanilla perfume for afternoon, because sun dey always dey, and me I no dey like how e dey feel for my body. You understand? Because of how the sun and everything go take make the thing feel for my body. But you see as this one, the vibe wey this one dey give vibe of say na sweet perfume o, na vanilla perfume o, but you go fit wear am in the afternoon. You go fit wear am in the afternoon and e go dey comfortable, e go dey okay. Omo, I like this perfume. E be like say make I just douse myself like this. Make I douse myself. I don swallow am. I don swallow the thing enter my throat. Oh boy. You see that vanilla voyage, that one is dey sweet. E dey sweet like something wey you fit chop. E dey sweet like gourmand perfume. But this one dey smell like fresh perfume wey be say, omo, this perfume e worth am. E worth the wait. And because of me, the type of perfume wey me I dey like, you understand? Me I dey like perfumes dem wey dey airy, perfumes dem wey dey light, wey no dey too thick for body. You understand? I dey like am. I dey like am well. You understand? Like wetin dey call this perfume? Angam na one very beautiful perfume wey be vanilla wey I like too. You understand? But that one, if you smell am, you will know say na vanilla perfume you dey smell. But this one, dem carry that vanilla like this, they come blend am well with, citrus notes. Omo, if this vanilla aura come dey smell like this, how that $700 own go come smell? The perfume go too make sense o. But anyhow sha, for first impression of this one, me I go give this one 10 o. First impression, as I just open am, smell am, I like am. Now I see why people dey buy backup bottle, like 2-3 backups. Now I see why people dey do am, because the perfume, e make sense. If you dey wonder if the perfume do this, it makes sense. At least first impression, it makes sense. Even though say I go still go, wear am, then I go come back, come do like review. I go come back, come do review. But for first impression of this perfume, I like am. The bottle self, even e deserve am. E deserve all the gbas wey you don dey get for internet. E deserve am. No worry, e deserve am. I no go lie for you now. No worry. I go tell you how e take be. If they say I open this perfume and the perfume do anyhow, I go still tell you, say you know what am. But this perfume, based on the type of perfume wey me I dey like, you get, based on the type of perfume wey me I dey like, this one, e make brain, e make sense. E make sense. So na wetin me I come here to come tell you una today o. Na wetin me I come here make I just come gist una today. So na the thing be that. So make me I go test am. wear am, I go wear am enter sun. Make I see how I go take be. Cause me na wakadugbe, me I like to enter sun. So I go wear am enter sun. Then I will come back, come tell una how the thing take do for my body when I wear am enter sun. Na that one I get to talk today, okay? Till I see una for another one wey I go bring come. Make una take care. Make una make sure say una dey spray una perfume o. Make una no buy perfume keep for shelf o. But make una make sure say una dey wear perfume wey una like. No be perfume wey person like. The one wey una like, make una dey wear am. God love una o. Me I for like to talk say I love una too, but true I no too know una like that, and una too no too know me like that. So if I say I love una, e go be like say na lie I dey lie. So I don stop to dey talk say I love una, because the thing e dey vague. Abi shey na wetin be vague? I no even know. I no dey talk say I love una like that again, but me I know say I dey like am. Say una dey for the other side of the camera, dey look me anytime wey I come talk for camera. Una no understand? E go be. I go see una for the next one. Bye bye.